Headed to the gym. It's Monday morning. It's heavy leg day. Joy. Look at that sunset, sunrise. It's gonna be a good day. It's a beautiful morning. Love the training in the morning. It makes my day go so much better. Because I feel so energized, and it's like I get to come home from work and just be. I don't have to worry about going to the gym at night. I don't know why I really never did this. I used to train at night every now and then in the morning, but yeah, I don't know. I kind of like this much better. Get to see the sunrise in the morning. I'm heading out a little later than I would have liked. I would have really preferred to have been there at 6 a.m. But yeah, it's a little later than that, and no biggie. I'll still be home in time to shower and head out to work. But yeah, happy Monday. Had a great weekend. The cheat meal was great. I know I have that still to look forward to this Saturday. But I haven't had any cravings for it since. Yesterday was Sunday. I had that photo shoot, did real well, had no desire to eat bad. Again, it's the mindset, peeps. It is the mindset. You know, when you have your mindset that you're gonna do something, you just do it. And I was really kind of scared about it, but it really didn't affect me whatsoever. I enjoyed it and I moved on. So, I don't know. Let's see how I do. Tomorrow is the completion of week 1. Yeah, so I'm excited to see how the week went. I don't know. So anyway, I'm literally about to pull into the gym. That's how close it is to my house. And so it looks like it's not too bad. Not too bad. All right, so cool beans. So today's legs full of lunges and deadlifts and all the good stuff. Heavy. All right, I'll see ya maybe inside, maybe after. Leg training today is done. Now I'm about to do intervals for 45 minutes and then head out of here. So I will see you when I'm done. Woo, that was some workout. I filmed some of the warm-ups today, like the squats that I did in the first part. Those squats with that little bar in the beginning, that was a warm-up. I like to warm my muscles up with a lightweight before I get into the heavy stuff, just so that I'm stretched out good. Come on, Paige, we're going this way. Apparently Molly wants to go this way. Sorry about the sun, it's coming up right. There you go. So yeah, next time somebody's with me, I'll be able to record better. But things are good. So tomorrow is arms, I think shoulders, and abs tomorrow. And again, 45 minutes of cardio intervals. So looking forward to seeing how this week pans out and check in with my coach to see if anything is going to get tweaked diet or exercise wise. Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, happy hump day, and I am here at the gym at 5 a.m. ready to get my workout going. Had breakfast already, had my supplements, my vitamins, and so yeah, today is bicep, tricep, and is it just arms and intervals? I think so. I don't even know, I can't think. This is really early and I just pulled up and the place is packed. Oh my God, I thought I'd be the only one up at this time. How can it be? Hey guys, happy Friday! It is the end of the week. Woohoo! So, to recap this week, it has been amazing. I really love prep. I don't know. I know it's early on in the prep and only 2 weeks are down, and I'm sure it's going to get a little bit harder as the weeks go by. But I am just totally committed and so excited and feeling so good, guys. So good. Nothing has changed in way of feeling from Optavia to now eating non-Optavia. I just feel amazing. And yeah, I don't know. It's been a pleasure doing this. And I'm just so excited because if I can keep this going, I should be coming into this competition looking rock solid and tight. And so let's see. A lot of you are asking me when this date of the show is. My coach has in her head April, but I don't know if she can get me there by April. That's only a couple months away, but you know, I trust her and I know that she's successful with her training and her coaching. So we'll see. I don't know. I'm in my head, I have it for the summer, but again, it's really up to her, the way my body responds to everything. And I had the heavy leg day yesterday, and this morning I feel great. I haven't had that pain or discomfort that I had last week, so my muscles are definitely getting used to training heavy again. And so for that, I'm so grateful because I was dreading having really sore legs over the weekend and for Christmas because it was really sore last week. Like, it took almost a full week to recover from that. The struggles that I'm having this week are the Smith machine split leg lunges. I have a very difficult time with those. It's not my strong point. And I think through videoing it and showing you guys the clips, you can see a couple things that I need to work on. One, our Smith machine in the gym is on an angle. It's not a straight one. So depending upon where I'm positioning the bar and foot placement determines whether or not my torso is leaning forward or being straight back. I would prefer it to be straight. So I'm going to work on form, foot placement, things like that. I think that's my biggest struggle. I have found that my right leg is a lot stronger than my left leg. My right glute is stronger than my left glute. So I definitely, you know, continue to work on the right side, but I definitely need to put the work on the left side. It's so strange how body parts are dominant, and we know that. You know, I'm a righty, I write with my right hand, so I'm assuming the right side of my body would be stronger. But leg wise, I feel like I use my legs equally, you know, walking, running, climbing stairs. But it's so funny. And I've also noticed from week 1 to week 2, my strength has improved. I have actually been able to go up in weight, dumbbell wise, barbell wise. So I'm excited because that means progress. So things are good, guys. It's Friday, like I said. I'm on my way to work. There's a lot of traffic. It's raining. It's crappy, but I'm looking forward to the weekend. Going to be training tonight because I have a chest night tonight, and I have to do a lot of bench pressing and things like that. And Jess is going to come with me to help me with that in case I need a spotter. So he and I both decided that we would go after work later in the evening. So my meals today are a little backwards. So I normally start the day training very early, as you know. And I usually have my protein, my carb, and before the gym. And then I have protein and a carb after the gym with some good fat. And then the rest of the day, the carbs just dwindle off. So I'm still in fat burning mode, guys. That's what my coach is doing. We're doing it very slow. My calories are increased by like 700 calories from Optavia. So I'm at like about almost 1,800 calories a day. The purpose of it is to allow my body to build the muscle. If you're in a huge deficit, you're not building muscle, you're burning fat. So with the training and the intervals that I'm doing, I haven't gained any weight, right? Last week I was like 0.1 or 0.2, something like that. This week, and I have my period, TMI for some of you, I'm sorry, but I haven't gained an ounce. So that means that my body is changing and the increase in calories is working to my benefit. So with that, we're going to, as the weeks go on and on and we get closer to show day, that's when the carbs get taken out, you know, little by little, because we don't want to just drastically take them away. We want the body to do its thing and get ready for this show. But we also want it to lean out. So right now I am building muscle and keeping my calories high, and I'm loving it. I feel so good, so good. So Optavia is the best tool out there. I am still an Optavia coach, guys. Some of you were like, are you still coaching? Absolutely. I will always do this because it has been life-changing for me. Absolutely life-changing. Never in a million years did I think I would get to this place with that. I just, mind-changing, mind-blowing. I'm just loving life right now. I am in such a good state. Because I'm not on Optavia, and we know that Optavia has all of the recommended daily allowance for vitamins and minerals, I am supplementing. So I am taking B12, vitamin C, digestive enzymes, and a whole host of other things that would mimic what I was taking on Optavia. So I would assume that is one of the reasons I feel so good. But truly, guys, it's the gym. You know, that's my heart. I love to lift. I love it. And it's been a really long time. And it has been amazing. I just feel so good when I walk out of there. I feel accomplished. I feel like I did it. And you know what? The other day when I was on the treadmill doing my intervals, my HIIT training, I have to do 45 minutes 5 days a week. So I usually do it Monday through Friday. Weekends off. Weekends are no gym, no HIIT training, nothing. It's just a time for my body to like regenerate and relax and rest, because you need that for muscle growth. So the other day it was very difficult because I had a heavy training day. It was like 5 in the morning. I was tired. I didn't get good sleep the night before. My own fault. Went to bed too late. And there was a point in time, it was about, I guess at like 38 minutes, something where it was like, I only had like 6 or 7 minutes left. And I remember thinking, you know what? I just feel like stopping, and it's only 6 minutes. And then I thought to myself, whoa, Lori, no. Because there's a lot of women out there training for this competition that I'm going to be in. And they're pushing it. They're doing their training. They're doing everything they're supposed to do. So why should I give in early? No. So I nipped that in the bud immediately. And I was proud of myself for that, because 6 minutes is not really a big deal. But it is a big deal when you're training for a show, because that 6 minutes could be the difference between me and the woman next to me. And I say woman because we're not girls. We're women. We are strong women, right? So anyway, I guess that's the moral of this week. I learned some lessons about myself, that I am able to push push through and push harder than I thought or that I desired at the moment. And for those of you still on Optavia, use that. You know, when times are tough and you're having a bad day or week or whatever, push through it. You know, you owe it to yourself. This is something you started and wanted to do. Continue. Don't quit. We're not quitters. We want to maintain the vision, the goal that we have. My goal on Optavia was to get my labs better. Then it was weight loss. Then it was I lost, 45 pounds. Then it transitioned, and now I'm competing for a fitness competition, a bodybuilding competition. What? You guys, this is like reality. This is happening. So very cool. Another thing I want to show you while I'm stuck here in traffic is this book. This is just a plain journal, and I bought this at Barnes & Noble. It's leather. You can get any kind. You can use a notebook. I just wanted this because this is my first. I'm gonna treasure this always. But in this book, wait, I'm still driving, so let me stop. In this book, I literally do my training workouts. Week 1, or day 1, all of the training I do. Continue. I do this every day that I go to the gym, and I put down the exercise, how many sets, how many reps, and the weight I used. This way, let's say it's shoulder day. I mark that all down. The following week when I do shoulders again, I can look back and see exactly what I did the workout before, and then I can gauge my progress. Did I get stronger? Was I able to lift more weight? Which was the case this week, which was awesome. Am I not as strong? What's going on? Am I not giving myself enough rest? Am I not sleeping enough? Am I, these are all things that I'm using tools to measure my progress, right? The scale is great, but the measurements are amazing. And by the way, I have to tell you, I lost inches. Okay, car, you may go over. Sure you can. With no blinker and just jetting into traffic. Isn't that lovely? Anyway, positive thinking, right? I'm not going to get mad. So yeah, that journal is awesome. And I look at that. I work out, I do it, I go home, I shower, I have my meal, and I look at it and I say to myself, awesome progress, Lori. You're killing it. You're doing it, and like, I'm not saying this out loud, but I'm saying it to myself inside my head because I feel like I need that too, just like you guys. I need that reinforcement, and I am talking to myself. I'm like coaching myself. We do that. So check in with my coach is Tuesday. But I feel like I want to make these videos and have them up for you every Saturday morning like I was doing the weigh-in. It's just easier for me. So yeah, so that was this week, guys. There was a lot going on. Some good food, some really good training. I feel good, positive mindset. This is wonderful. Contest prep, show prep. I don't know, call it what you will. That's what's going on. This week is week 2 and on to week 3. And I will keep you all posted again in my next video. If you have any questions, let me know below. In the meantime, guys, I wish you all, if you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. And I hope that you guys stick with your plan, regardless of what it is. And other than that, I love you all. Stay focused, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.